Time now for your transfer update.
Now, the breaking news, and we knew it was happening. Now it has happened.
Right, these pictures just into us in those cars are Manchester United's two new signings. They are now at Manchester United's training ground. Both will have medicals today. They're in the building.
Oh, yeah, it's difficult here, you know, trying to keep your eye on two entrances. We're at one entrance, but, of course, as often happens, players decide to use the other entrance. And Terrell, over the weekend, has arrived in the last half an hour at the other entrance at Carrington here to, we think, complete that medical. And you would imagine that deal, hopefully, from United's point of view, heading for closure and sorted, because they're desperate here for new faces in and faces as quickly as possible. So he is in the building, and as I say, hopefully going through the final stages of that medical. Also in that entrance in the last hour or so.
Manchester United step up midfield hunt for Éderson and Mateus Fernandes. Manchester United are preparing for a massive summer rebuild as the club intensifies efforts to strengthen its midfield ahead of the new season. Reports emerging from multiple sources suggest the Red Devils are now pushing harder for Atalanta midfielder Éderson and West Ham talent Mateus Fernandes as part of a wider recruitment plan at Old Trafford. After another inconsistent campaign filled with questions surrounding control, creativity, and physicality in midfield, United's hierarchy appeared determined to reshape the center of the pitch with fresh energy and quality. The club are believed to be targeting at least 2 new midfielders this summer, with scouting departments already finalizing a shortlist containing several high-level options across Europe. Éderson has quickly become one of the most admired midfielders in Serie A due to his relentless work rate, defensive intensity, and ability to carry the ball forward under pressure. The Brazilian star has been a key figure for Atalanta and is viewed by many as the type of aggressive box-to-box midfielder Manchester United have lacked in recent seasons. His athleticism, composure, and tactical intelligence could bring balance and stability to United's midfield setup. Meanwhile, Mateus Fernandes is also attracting serious attention. The West Ham midfielder is highly rated for his technical ability, vision, and versatility. At just a young age, Fernandes is seen as a player with huge long-term potential and someone capable of fitting into a modern, high-intensity football system. Manchester United's recruitment staff reportedly believe he could become an important piece for the future. The club's transfer strategy this summer appears focused on rebuilding the spine of the squad. Midfield has remained one of the biggest concerns among supporters, especially with inconsistency in performances throughout the season. Bringing in 2 dynamic midfielders could dramatically improve the team's pressing, ball retention, and attacking transitions. Fans are already excited about what these potential signings could bring to Old Trafford. Could this finally be the midfield rebuild Manchester United desperately need? Stay tuned for all the latest transfer news, rumors, tactical analysis, and breaking updates surrounding Manchester United and the summer transfer window.